At Eurosatory this week, we are showcasing the new OPALIN collimator, which is specifically designed for maintaining weapon sights. It allows for comprehensive testing of both thermal and daylight weapon sights to ensure they are functioning correctly, which is crucial for the efficiency and performance of military operations.
The key specifications of the OPALIN that make this collimator apart are its aperture of 100 mm, a field of view greater than 2.2 degrees, and its optical qualities are only limited by diffraction, which ensures great precision. It also integrates high-resolution sources, one black body, but also a visible source. They are both controlled by the touch screen located at the top of the collimator, and the communication is done by an Ethernet port located at the rear of the OPALIN. The collimator also comes with targets that you place here and that will allow you to do all the tests for your systems.
The tests it allows to perform are crucial. It ensures alignment and bore sighting between optical axes, which verifies the proper alignment of visible and thermal channels. Additionally, it conducts independent resolution tests for both day and night settings, guaranteeing that weapon sights are always accurate and reliable in various conditions.
By ensuring that the weapon sights are perfectly aligned and provide clear resolution in all conditions, the OPALIN collimator allows to minimize the risk of errors on the field.